Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to cancel your Starz subscription on various platforms like Roku, FireTV, Apple TV, or Google Play, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the cancellation process for each device. Let's get started. Namatamya at canceling Starz on Roku 1. Turn on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen. 2. Scroll down and select the streaming channels option. 3. Choose My Channels to access your installed channels. 4. Highlight the Starz channel by scrolling to it. 5. Press the Y button on your Roku remote to access the options menu. 6. Select Remove Channel from the list. 7. Confirm the deletion by choosing Remove Again. Download canceling Starz on Fire TV 1. Power on your Fire TV and navigate to the home screen. 2. Move to the Apps section or find the Your Apps and Channels area. 3. Locate the Starz app and highlight it. 4. Press the menu button on your remote. 3 horizontal lines. 5. Select Remove from Favorites or Uninstall based on your version. 6. Confirm the removal and the Starz subscription will be cancelled. Canceling Starz on Apple TV. 1. Start your Apple TV and go to the home screen. 2. Open the Settings app. 3. Scroll down and select Users and Accounts. 4. Choose your account, then select Subscriptions. 5. Find and select Starz from the list of subscriptions. 6. Click on Cancel Subscription. 7. Confirm your decision when prompted. Diner, canceling Starz via Google Play 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. 4. Tap Subscriptions to view all your active subscriptions. 5. Find Starz and select it. 6. Tap Cancel Subscription. 7. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation. Remember, cancellation policies may vary based on the platform or device, so always check for any specifics related to your account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.